People call the cops on this guy all the time because he's wearing, it'll be a blizzard, 0 degrees. He'll be in bare feet, shorts, t-shirt, walking down the street reading a book. People call the police on you for that here. Old canned bicycles when they steal them. Oh, that's too much. Holy smokes, blueberry. Hey, 99 cents for blueberry. That's pretty good. I don't eat this stuff, but oh, light mayo. 99 cents. That's more like it. Fannie Mae. What we got here? Aprons. COVID tests. $8.19 for 5 pounds. $7.99. $9. Oh, they brought them down. You gotta remind, these are each because they're organic. $6.29. That's each. EA. Each. Oh no, that's a pound. Wow. Greenleaf, romaine. This is iceberg. I don't even see a price for iceberg, but it was $8 before. I think that this looks like a con here. Put the green leaf. Green leaf is up here. That's site deceptive. And $2.69. Apples and oranges aren't totally outrageous. Up there, GMO tomatoes. I will not eat these, but $5.09. That's a pound. I don't know what that says. I don't have my glasses on, but it doesn't feel like a pound for potato starch. People be hitting the beans pretty hard, even though they cost 3 times what they were. $3.09, $2.99. These are on sale. That's not a bad deal. $2.19, almost a buck off. Oh well, better get out of here. You know, one of them people's got to let you listen to what they're listening to. Ah, yeah, you. What's wrong with your head? Look at this fool. Interesting. Oh, yes, we go. There we go. Oh, holy folks, the pigeons move in. They ain't stupid. Hey, you guys good. Alright. Yeah, I feel bad for that one seagull out there.